Hi, this is Gary from Cheetah Transformation, and this is the 18th Smartsheet quick tip on the top 5 Smartsheet keyboard shortcuts. In this video, I'll be showing you the 5 most useful keyboard shortcuts within Smartsheet. Now, I'm sure that everyone knows around Control-C, Control-V for copy and paste, etc., but hopefully these ones will actually be some use. So I've added a column in here and I've added a quick formula. And the formula is just showing me the progress in regards to its stage. So all I'm saying is if this is 0 or blank, then it's not started. If the value is between 0 and less than 1, then it's in progress, otherwise it's completed. Now what I can do with this formula copied down, obviously I can do Control-C and Control-V if I wanted to, which I don't, so I'll undo that. What I can also do is click on the cell and drag down. So that's another option. But another option for that's available in both Windows and Mac is if you click on the top cell with the formula and go down to your final cell and then do Command D for Mac or Control D for Windows, you can copy that formula down to the bottom of the page. The second tip we're going to use is Command F for Mac and Control F for Windows. And what this does, it uses a find function. So I can find something on here that I wanted to find. For example, if I wanted to find Project Manager, let's type in that, and it will find Project Manager and next, and I'll just scroll through. But also another good use of this is obviously to replace as well. So if I wanted Project Manager, I want to replace with the term PM, I can replace just that one, or I can also replace all of them if I wanted to. So the third tip is Command G on a Mac or Control G on Windows. And what that does, it enables you to actually go to a specific row within your project plan or sheet. So if I wanted to go to row 60, just type in row 60, and there you go, it takes you straight to your row. Now, whilst it might not be useful for me on this sheet because I can see everything on one screen, some project plans that I've worked on have 400 or 500 lines in their project sheet, so it can be quite useful to actually navigate the page quite effectively. So the fourth tip is Command and Enter on a Mac or Control and Enter on Windows. And what that enables you to do is put a carriage return within a single cell. So if I want to write some tasks, I can put task 1. And then if I wanted to put task 2, I hit Command plus Enter and enter task 2. Control plus Enter, task 3. Very helpful when you actually want to put more than one item within a single cell. Okay, the fifth and final tip is really for those of us that use formulas quite heavily within Smartsheet. The good news is that the shortcut is Control L, and that's the same for both Mac and Windows. I've created a formula here just to show me the progress stage. So it's linked to this cell here. And what I'd normally do in that is actually make that an absolute reference. So I'd actually put my cursor in front here and put a $sign, move it to here, put another $sign, another $sign there, another $sign there to make sure that that formula always looked at that cell. But what you can actually do is just, once you create your formula, go back into it again and just click within the cell you actually want to create an absolute reference, and just press L, Control L, Control L, Control L, just to fix that to that cell, and the same again. Thanks for watching, and for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.